Hey friends, it's Megan Elizabeth, founder and creator of Above Ruby Studio and the She Makes Club. And I wanted to do another card tutorial today with the Forward with Faith scrapbook kit that Echo Park has released. And I love it. So I thought we could do a couple really cute cards. I really was inspired by this page. Like, we're gonna just do them so easy. We're gonna start with one. We might do a couple with this. But there's some really, I think, awesome, amazing messages on here. Just the I believe, count your blessings, love, God will lift you up, be truly glad, there is wonderful joy ahead, which is what I'm going to use today. Pray more, worry less, faith, like all of them I think are really awesome. And I absolutely love this tree too. So I'm going to grab my paper trimmer to get started if I can find it. Oh, it's right next to me. I'm going to grab the paper trimmer to get started. I really love the back of this too, so I'm gonna kind of try to see how I want to play this out, because isn't that beautiful? Ugh, it's so hard with this paper. Like, I need 2 of each of these kits. I do. But we're gonna start with this. Here and here. And I'm gonna make this a standard A2 size card, but I think I might make a couple like maybe 3-inch square cards as well, because these are like 3-inch squares. Or yeah, they're 3-inch squares. So it might be really cute to make a couple different things with them too. Sometimes all it takes is just one little prayer to change everything. We're gonna cut these up, because I really like them all. Okay, and all right. So let's start making our A2 size card base. Use a few stickers, have a little bit of fun, make it really easy. This is some textured cardstock that I had in my stash, and it folds really easily. And I'm gonna round the corners, and I'm gonna do the 1/2-inch corner round, and I'm just gonna do the bottom of this card. We're just gonna round the bottom corners. And let's see. Yeah, we're gonna add a little bit of this designer paper. Cut it to 5 inches, because it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Okay, and that's gonna go in the center. So a strip on each side. Place it here, about even spaces on each side, just about. Oh, I can't help it, I'm going to use this gorgeous bloom burst of flowers, and I'm going to let it come off the edge just a tiny bit, and trim off any overhang. Won't be much, just a little bit, so that there's nothing sticky off the edges. So pretty. And then we'll grab this little vine, and that's gonna come down here, just like so, underneath. Bloop. Right there. And then we're gonna adhere this. I feel like I want to round these corners. We're gonna do 1/4 inch. And you know what else we're gonna do? We're gonna ink some edges to get rid of any white core, just make it look a little bit more finished off. This is the color Bachelorette, and I'm just gonna swipe right along the edges. Just so there's no white core showing. And then we'll give it a little go with adhesive. I think that's an awesome thing. I'm like all about anything that says joy right now. Again, be truly glad there is wonderful joy ahead. I like it. I like it a lot. It says always have faith. This little sticker right here on here says always have faith. And it's like so tiny, but I think it's like so cute. And it should just go right here. Like it's like calling that it belongs there. So we're putting that there, and we're gonna grab a little heart. And we're gonna take the little heart, and we're gonna add that too. Okay, that is our card for today. I just wanted to share something a little bit joyful, a little bit fun, something easy and quick that you can make and create, just taking some stickers and some favorite paper at home. And I hope that you enjoy the moments. Spread a little love, and don't forget about our Cricut Joy giveaway. You can visit Above Ruby Studio or buymeganelizabeth.com for details and lots of chances to enter to win. Have a great day. Bye-bye.